I made this $7.48 right now watching YouTube videos. Look at my results. All I did was to watch videos on YouTube and I got credited this amount of money. So this website here is going to pay you for watching videos with your smartphone. If you're wondering, is it possible? Can somebody actually make money watching YouTube videos? The answer is yes. There are lots of young music artists out there who just released their album and they are looking for people that will help them watch these videos, stream the videos and help them grow. These ones are ready to pay you as high as $2.50 for watching videos on a daily basis. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a free account, how you can start watching video right now. So you're actually going to watch me do this step by step. So by the time you're done watching this video, you go on to create your free account and then start making $2.50 on a daily basis watching videos. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight in. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chiamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if you are looking for videos on how to make money working from the comfort of your bedroom, you're onto the right channel, you are watching the right video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $2.50 every single day watching videos with your smartphone. So go on, grab your popcorn, let's do this. This is the website that will pay you daily for watching videos on YouTube. It says earn money watching new videos online. Before I show you exactly how to create a free account and how to watch the video and make money, let's look at some other important things you need to know. What are the things you do on this platform to make money? You're going to watch videos. These are commercial ads, movies and TV shows online. And by the way, you don't have to watch the video from beginning to the end. All you need is to spend like 23 to 24 seconds watching the video. And as soon as you complete 24 seconds view, you are going to be credited immediately. I'm going to show you that in a moment. Another way you can make money from this is to refer friends. So when you refer friends to create account on this platform, the friend earns $5 instantly, and you who brought him or her to join the platform, you earn $1. So once you complete these two tasks, you get paid. Now, how do you collect your money? You can actually get paid straight to your bank account, or you can withdraw your money through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal, you use the best option for yourself. So let's go on and get started with making money on this platform. So the link to create this account is contained in the description of this video. If you use my link to create account, you're going to be given $5 immediately. Create account, all you need to do is to click on this button that says get started. We are going to create account right now so you'll be able to see how it looks. So once you click on the link and it opens, this is what you're going to see. What you need to do is to go on and supply this basic information. So once the account is created, the next thing would be to go on and start taking tasks, which is to start watching videos and start making money immediately. Guys, I got $5 credited to me, and that's actually because I used someone's referral link. So if you go on to use the link, you're going to be given $5 immediately. Look at this. I have about 5 videos to watch today. So for every video you watch, you already know how much you will make. When I'm done watching this video, I'm going to earn $0.61. If I watch this one, I'm going to earn $0.32. When I'm done watching this one, I'm going to earn $0.47. So I'm going to click on this right now and then we watch the video together. I'll tell you the name of the website in a moment. So this is it. You're going to give it time for the video to load. You see that the video is already playing, and as soon as it's done playing, we are going to make the money. So you're going to wait for a moment and let it play to the end. I'm going to click on complete. If you look at this, it says successfully completed. We received $0.61. The next thing would be to watch the second advert, and we are going to watch all the videos so we'll be able to make all the money that's meant for us. By the way, the maximum video you can watch per day is 5 videos, and I guess they did this just to make sure that this video goes around everybody on this platform. With these 5 videos, you make about $2.50 or thereabout. This is the next video we are going to watch to make money. After watching this video, we're going to earn $0.47 for this. So I'm going to click on it. Let's watch it together.
Hey guys, so tonight on behalf of Pampers, we're heading into the homes of unsuspecting moms to see if wetness will wake them up. Let's go. The key ever emergency contact. This is what is this? 600 milliliters of liquid. The amount a baby can pee at night in a diaper. And then I need my key back. That's what wetness does.
Okay, so we're done watching this one. You're going to click on complete and then it will be credited. So we move on to the next video. What video we are watching. So just to checkmate you, to make sure you don't watch one video twice and get paid twice, as soon as you're done watching the video, if you click on that video the second time, you'll be told that you can't watch the video until the next day, which is in the next 23 to 24 hours. That's exactly what you're seeing here. So you can't watch one video twice and make money twice. If you look at my dashboard now, I earned $7.95 watching videos just today. So I've actually viewed 6 videos today, and the next time I'm going to be able to watch another video on this platform is the next day. Heads up, there are loads and loads of adverts on this platform. I mean, I think that's where the admin of this platform gets a lot of money, because you're going to be seeing a lot of adverts like this as you attempt to watch this video. Sometimes when you click on the link to watch the video, it redirects you to yet another platform. It's now your job to come back to this platform and watch the video you are meant to watch.
Name of this website is WinTube.
Now, this is my first time. I haven't cashed out from this platform, and I'm going to update you when I eventually do. So the link to create a free account for yourself is contained in the description of this video. When you use this link, you are going to be credited $5 immediately, and as soon as you're done creating the account, you can also go on to share your own link with other people, so you keep getting $1 each time people create accounts using your own link. To get your referral link and even other details you need to know, you need to come over here and click on this button that says my account, and then you see a lot of options. So to copy your referral link, all you need is to click on this button that says referral, and this is the link you're going to copy and send to people. Each time people sign up using this link, you are going to earn $1, and whoever has signed up using your link will earn $5. I think it's a good deal. Go on and create your free account right now and start making money watching videos every day. Okay, so here are various withdrawal options we have here. You can withdraw via PayPal, you can withdraw via web money, you have Western Union and Payoneer. I think this is very fair, because it doesn't matter where you live in the world, you can withdraw via Western Union and even Payoneer, because Payoneer is open worldwide. Now let me know, did you get value from this? Let me know in the comment section. Now, there are many other ways you can make money watching videos. Another one is Timebox. Now if you're looking at making a lot of money with video creation and video watching, the best option would be to use TikTok. On TikTok, you see a lot of music artists who are willing to pay you as high as $300 to make video just using their song as your background music. So I'll encourage you to do that. All you need to qualify is to get 1,000 followers on TikTok, and you'll be eligible to start doing this. Did you get value from this video? Let me know by dropping a comment in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.